Hello, what's up everyone? This is Madam Monish again, back with another tutorial for you all, and this time it is going to be a Gumby. Let's go! Guys, I have heard people calling this move with two different names. B-boys call it Rainbow and trickers call it Gumby. To learn this move, you have to learn two different movements, which is one, the dark side cartwheel, and another one is a bridge walkover. So guys, how are we going to do a Gumby? First of all, come down, and now I will suggest you all to master your bridge walkover because you are going to use that while doing the cartwheel, the dark side cartwheel actually. So this is a bridge walkover. You go into a bridge and then you come out from other way. Okay, so in my case I'm gonna go from right to left and then back on my feet. Right, bridge, left, and back on my feet. And on the same side I'm going to do the dark side cartwheel, which is right, left, and on my feet. Right, left, and on my feet. So basically I have to do the bridge walkover while I'm doing the cartwheel with my hands only. Like throw my leg backward behind me and do the bridge while doing the cartwheel. So as you can see, it's already looking like a Gumby or a Rainbow, right? So what are we going to do to make it more like it? Like I will tell you an exercise which is very basic and very easy. You need to practice it a lot because this will give you the original Gumby, which gives you a setup to do more tricks after that. Which is, first of all, you need to be in this position. Be on your right knee and your left leg will be out like this at your side. Put your right hand in front of your right knee and just swing your left leg behind your head like you want to hit your back part of your head. Like this. Swing it. And at the same time you have to jump from your right leg like this. Swing, jump while you're sitting in this position. Right hand, swing, jump at the same time, and then bridge. So it's going to be swing, jump. And this is that exercise. You need to practice it a lot to make your Gumby look really like a Gumby. Not just a setup, but a power setup. And same with the other hand. Like for people who are doing in other way. Swing, jump. It's very easy. So just master this movement, and while you are doing, you need to add something after it. You just need to swing your leg after the Gumby. Okay? Like this. You get it? From the other way. So guys, as you all can see, a Gumby is a very basic movement. I can do it with both of my sides. So I would also suggest you all to learn it from both sides, because in future maybe it will be helping you all to be creative in your combos. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please try to learn something from this tutorial and attempt it. Create a video, tag me on Instagram, which is right down here. And yeah, I just want to be more close to you all, my audience. Bye bye.